The ultimate federal solar energy tax credit guide brought to you by Optic Tax. Maximize your business savings with the Federal Solar Investment Tax Credit, ITC, for installing solar energy systems. The ITC offers a 30% tax deduction on solar installations, while the Production Tax Credit, PTC, provides 2.75 cents per kilowatt-hour for solar electricity produced. Businesses, nonprofits, and governments can choose between the ITC and PTC, but not both for the same project. Eligible solar systems must be located in the U.S., use mostly new components, and not be leased to tax-exempt entities. The ITC is an upfront credit, unlike the PTC, which is based on the solar system's output, affecting long-term cash flow. Claim the ITC by including IRS Form 3468 with your tax return. For the PTC, use IRS Form 8962. Domestic content bonuses can increase the ITC or PTC value by 10%, encouraging the use of U.S. manufactured products in solar projects. Navigating the eligibility for these credits can be complex, and it's advisable to determine your qualification before you file your taxes. Schedule an introductory consultation with Optic Tax now to ensure you fully leverage your credit potential.